Ram's engine strategy has changed again, and the 2027 Ram 1500 makes one thing very clear. This is no longer a simple story about replacing the HEMI V8. When Ram introduced the twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter Hurricane inline-six as its new generation performance engine, it appeared that the legendary 5.7-liter HEMI V8 was being pushed into history. The Hurricane delivered more horsepower, stronger torque, and significantly more performance potential from a smaller displacement. But Ram customers had other ideas. The HEMI is back for 2027, while the Hurricane remains a major part of Ram's future. Instead of choosing one engine philosophy, Ram is now offering both. And from a pure performance standpoint, the Hurricane shows exactly why Ram invested so heavily in the inline-six. The Hurricane is still Ram's modern performance answer. The biggest misconception surrounding the 2027 Ram 1500 is that Ram has introduced an entirely new engine to replace the HEMI. It hasn't. The important engine remains the 3.0-liter Hurricane twin-turbo inline-six, available in standard output and high output versions. According to Ram's official 2027 information, the standard output Hurricane produces 420 horsepower, while the high output version reaches an impressive 540 horsepower. That makes the Hurricane substantially more powerful than the returning 5.7-liter HEMI V8, which produces 395 horsepower. The difference becomes even more interesting when torque enters the equation. The standard output Hurricane produces approximately 469 pound-feet of torque, while the high output version generates 521 pound-feet. The 5.7-liter HEMI produces 410 pound-feet. So, while enthusiasts may naturally associate V8 engines with superior truck performance, the numbers tell a different story. The Hurricane is smaller, but it can be considerably stronger. Why Ram went to an inline-six? There is a reason an inline-six configuration works so well in a truck. An inline-six is naturally balanced and can deliver exceptionally smooth power. More importantly, turbocharging allows Ram engineers to generate significant torque without relying on a large displacement engine. Instead of waiting for engine speed to climb before delivering serious power, the Hurricane's twin turbochargers help produce a broad wave of torque. That matters in a pickup. Drivers need immediate response when merging onto a highway, passing another vehicle, climbing a grade, or pulling a trailer. Strong mid-range torque can make a heavy truck feel considerably quicker and more effortless. The Hurricane, therefore, isn't simply about making a smaller engine produce a bigger horsepower number. It changes how the Ram 1500 delivers its performance. 420 horsepower changes the standard. Consider the standard output Hurricane. Its 420 horsepower already exceeds the 395 horsepower produced by the 5.7-liter HEMI. More importantly, its 469 pound-feet of torque represents a substantial increase over the HEMI's 410 pound-feet. That means buyers don't necessarily need the most expensive or aggressive Ram configuration to experience the benefits of the newer engine architecture. The standard output Hurricane offers the kind of numbers that would have been considered serious V8 performance not long ago. And then there's the high output version. The 540 horsepower Hurricane is the real performance statement. The high output 3.0-liter Hurricane takes the concept considerably further. With 540 horsepower and 521 pound-feet of torque, this engine demonstrates how much performance Ram can extract from the twin-turbo inline-six architecture. For perspective, that's 145 more horsepower than the 5.7-liter HEMI. The result is a Ram 1500 that can accelerate with the urgency of a performance vehicle, despite being a large, full-size pickup. Independent testing has shown just how significant that difference can be. The high-output Hurricane can push certain Ram 1,500 configurations to 60 miles per hour in roughly the mid 4-second range. That's remarkably quick for a full-size truck. The engine also delivers power differently from a traditional naturally aspirated V8. The HEMI builds power with the familiar sound and character enthusiasts love, while the turbocharged Hurricane delivers a strong surge of torque and rapid acceleration. Neither experience is identical, but if the measurement is outright performance, the Hurricane has a clear advantage over the 5.7-liter HEMI. But Ram didn't kill the HEMI. This is where the 2027 story becomes much more interesting. Ram has officially confirmed the 5.7-liter HEMI V8 as an available engine for the 2027 Ram 1500. That means describing the Hurricane simply as the HEMI replacement is no longer completely accurate. The Hurricane effectively became Ram's modern high-output mainstream engine, but customer demand for V8 power remained strong enough that Ram brought the HEMI back. The 2027 lineup therefore gives buyers an unusual amount of choice. There's the 3.6-liter Pentastar V8 for buyers prioritizing a conventional entry-level powertrain. There's the 5.7-liter HEMI V8 for customers who want traditional V8 sound, response, and character. And there are two Hurricane inline-six configurations for buyers seeking considerably more turbocharged performance. Instead of forcing every buyer toward one engine, Ram is covering multiple sides of the truck market. And the V8 performance story gets wilder. The HEMI comeback doesn't end with the 5.7-liter. At the extreme end of Ram's 2027 performance strategy, the supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8 has returned in the Ram 1500 TRX. And this time, it's even more powerful. The 2027 TRX's supercharged V8 produces an astonishing 777 horsepower and 680 pound-feet of torque. That makes an important point about Ram's engine strategy. The company isn't abandoning turbocharged six-cylinder engines, and it isn't abandoning V8s either. Instead, Ram is using different engines for different missions. The Hurricane provides modern high-output performance in mainstream premium trucks. The 5.7-liter HEMI provides the traditional V8 experience many Ram buyers demanded. And the supercharged HEMI gives the company an extreme halo performance engine. Hurricane versus HEMI, performance tells the story. Put the key engines side by side, and Ram's strategy becomes much easier to understand. The 5.7-liter HEMI produces 395 horsepower and 410 pound-feet. The standard output Hurricane produces 420 horsepower and 469 pound-feet. The high output Hurricane increases that to 540 horsepower and 521 pound-feet. That means even the lower output Hurricane surpasses the 5.7-liter HEMI in both horsepower and torque. The high output Hurricane creates an even larger performance gap. So, why would anyone still choose the HEMI? Because engine choice isn't determined entirely by a specification sheet. V8 buyers often value sound, throttle response, mechanical character, familiarity, and the emotional experience of driving a traditional American pickup. The Hurricane cannot completely duplicate that personality. What it can do is deliver more power. The real 2027 Ram engine overhaul. The biggest change for 2027 isn't that Ram found another engine to kill the HEMI. It's that Ram stopped treating its powertrain future as an either-or decision. The Hurricane proved that a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six could outperform the familiar 5.7-liter HEMI in horsepower and torque. That's why it remains such an important part of the Ram 1500 lineup. But the market also proves something to Ram. Performance numbers aren't the only reason people buy engines. Some buyers still want a V8. Ram listened. So, the 2027 Ram 1500 now represents something far more interesting than a straightforward HEMI replacement. It offers old-school V8 character alongside modern twin-turbo performance. For drivers chasing the strongest mainstream performance numbers, the 540 horsepower Hurricane is difficult to ignore. For buyers who want the sound and feel that made Ram trucks famous, the 5.7-liter HEMI is back. And for anyone who thought Ram was finished building outrageous V8-powered trucks, the 777 horsepower TRX provides a very loud answer. The HEMI wasn't simply replaced. Ram expanded the choices, and the 2027 engine battle may be more interesting because of it.